Bullish ENS value forecast is $13.64 to $38.62. Ethereum name administration cost could likewise reach $13 soon. Bearish ENS cost expectation for 2022 is $7.80. In Ethereum name administration cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ENS to examine the future development of the cryptographic money. Ethereum name administration current market status. The cost of Ethereum name administration is $11.36 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $109,532,420 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, ENS has diminished by almost 5.6% as of now. Ethereum name administration has a circling supply of 25,783,233 N. Right now, Ethereum name administration exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, Whitebit, OKX, DigiFinex, Coinbase Trade, and KuCoin. What is Ethereum name administration? On the Ethereum blockchain, there is a decentralized name framework called Ethereum name administration. Clients can buy names like bob.eth that are intelligible and map them to identifiers like locations, content hashes, and metadata. ENS is habitually contrasted with the web's form of DNS, the space name administration utilized by sites like Google.com to give comprehensible names while planning against IP addresses. Rather than a DNS, ENS spaces are constrained by shrewd agreements and are held by a DAO instead of a concentrated power like ICANN. Like buying a web space name, anybody can trade an ENS name. Ethereum name administration value expectation 2022. The above diagram of Ethereum name administration spread out the climbing channel design, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower pattern lines that interface the new records all around individually seem to move inside a rising incline. This example is for the most part a quality of a bullish pattern. At present, Ethereum name administration is in the scope of $10.85. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of ENS could arrive at the opposition levels of $20.59. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of ENS might tumble to $10.29 and $7.46. Ethereum name administration backing and opposition levels. The graph beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Ethereum name administration. From the above everyday time period, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Ethereum name administration. The outlines show that Ethereum name administration has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, ENS could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $38.62. Likewise, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Ethereum name administration could plunge to nearly $7.80, a negative sign. Ethereum name administration value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Ethereum name administration is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of ENS lies beneath the N line, showing powerless members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Ethereum name administration is displayed in the diagram above. White, Ethereum name administration cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. Right now, ENS has entered a negative state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ENS whenever. In the meantime, the general strength record of the ENS is 26.81. This implies that Ethereum name administration is in an oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of ENS might happen in the impending days. Along these lines, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Ethereum name administration value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Ethereum name administration. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Ethereum name administration. As of now, the ADX of ENS lies in the scope of 17.80 and consequently, it demonstrates a frail pattern. The above outline likewise addresses the general unpredictability record of Ethereum name administration. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of ENS lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Ethereum name administration is at 26.81, in this manner affirming a potential purchase signal. Examination of ENS with BTC, ETH. The beneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ethereum name administration. From the above graph, we can decipher the value activities of BTC, ETH, and ENS are moving in a comparative pattern. This shows that when the cost of ETH and BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ENS likewise increments or diminishes individually. Ethereum Name Administration Value Forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Ethereum Name Administration could most likely achieve $15 by 2023. Ethereum Name Administration Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Ethereum Name Administration could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ENS could mobilize to hit $20 by 2024. Ethereum Name Administration Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that Ethereum Name Administration supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, ENS would revitalize to hit $25. Ethereum Name Administration Value Forecast 2026. If Ethereum Name Administration supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, ENS would energize to hit $30. Ethereum Name Administration Value Forecast 2027. If Ethereum Name Administration supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, ENS would revitalize to hit $35. Ethereum Name Administration Value Expectation 2028. In the event that Ethereum Name Administration holds up areas of strength for ENS as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, ENS would hit $40 in 2028. Ethereum Name Administration Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Ethereum Name Administration, it would observe significant spikes. ENS could hit $45 by 2029. Ethereum Name Administration Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the Ethereum Name Administration biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into ENS for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Ethereum Name Administration could hit $50 by 2030. And, with consistent upgrades in the Ethereum Name Administration organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for ENS. Thus, the bullish value expectation of Ethereum Name Administration in 2022 is $38.62. Then again, the negative value expectation of Ethereum Name Administration cost forecast for 2022 is $7.80. Besides, with the progressions and moves up to the Ethereum Name Administration environment, the presentation of ENS would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $83.40 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach $13 assuming the financial backers accept that ENS is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Ethereum Name Administration? Ethereum Name Administration is an open, conveyed, and extensible naming framework in view of the Ethereum blockchain. 2. Where could you at any point buy Ethereum Name Administration? Ethereum Name Administration has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance,